Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to learn about method of distillation. This is one of the method used for separating mixture of various substances. Distillation is normally used for purification of impure liquids. So let us understand this method in detail. So distillation is used to separate mixture. So it is used to separate a mixture of liquids which have different boiling points. Okay. Now, the technique is widely used in industry. For example, it is used in the manufacture and purification of nitrogen, oxygen, and rare gases. There is one small experiment given in our textbook to understand the process of distillation. So let us understand that in detail. So in this process of distillation, we have to arrange our apparatus as shown in the figure. Let me introduce to you the various apparatus and the substance which we have taken for our experiment. So the pink colored thing that you see in a conical flask is the salt solution. Okay, so we mix salt in a water and that solution we have placed here. Okay, that is here. This solution is placed in a round bottom flask, or sometimes here we have taken a conical flask. Anything will do. Then this is fitted with a rubber cork, and through this rubber cork we have an inlet for the thermometer to measure the temperature. Then there is one pipe which goes outside, the outlet is there which goes outside, and the water, the substance is collected in a beaker. Now, what is this experiment all about? Let us understand. So, what we do is we take some salt solution in in a flask, and we arrange the figure as shown, arrange the apparatus as shown in the figure. Then we start heating the liquid in the flask from the bottom, and then we observe what are the changes happening there. The first thing that we see is when the water is heated, then it starts boiling after some time. What happens when the water boils? When the water boils, the gas is given out. Water vapor is given out, or steam is given out. This steam is passing through this inlet. Okay. Now, what happens when the steam is passing through this region? This region has been surrounded by a water condenser, which means that if you see here, there is a cold water in and out. This condenser is cooling the gas which is passing through that portion. So this dark blue colored portion, if you see, that is the condenser, and it is the condensation is taking place here, and the gas which is passing through this outlet is being converted to liquid. As we know that when a condensation takes place, or when we cool a gas, it forms a liquid, right? So what happens because of this cold water, the gas which was passing through this pipe cools down, and water is collected in the beaker. So what happens because of this? This process goes on continuing, and it goes on till the drops falling in the conical flask. Now this drops which are falling from the conical flask, okay, are of the water from the salt solution in the round bottom flask. Salt remains at the bottom, and see, this process goes on and on, and at the end the salt remains behind at the bottom of the round bottom flask, and all the water gets collected in the in the beaker. So this method is called as distillation, and this distillation is used for the purification of impure liquids. Thank you.